The power of love. What it means to give and keep loving. There were times when I'd sit there, feeling completely lost and confused, questioning everything. Why did I give so much of my heart to someone who didn't even deserve it? I'd ask myself, why did I invest all this time and energy only to be met with disappointment? I would feel foolish, thinking it was all just a waste. I would wonder why I let myself love someone who didn't seem to care as deeply as I did. The hurt, the confusion. Sometimes it felt overwhelming. But one day, in the midst of all those questions, something clicked. I realized that the problem wasn't in my ability to love. The issue wasn't in the love itself. The problem was in how I saw it. I had been so focused on the way people didn't appreciate my love, on the way they abused it or took it for granted. But the truth is, I should have been focusing on something different. The fact that I had love to give in the first place. You see, the ability to love, to care, to be kind, and to be honest, it comes from within. If you have it in you to give love, then you have something so beautiful inside of you. No matter how it's received or not received, that love doesn't diminish. It's a part of you. The kindness you share, the compassion you offer. It speaks to who you are. It's what makes you you. It's what makes you a beautiful human being. I learned that day that my worth is not defined by how others treat me, nor is my ability to love diminished by someone else's inability to value it. Instead of feeling regret or resentment for giving my love to the wrong person, I learned to appreciate that I could love at all. And that made all the difference. I realized that love is not about what we get in return. It's about the fact that we have the capacity to give, that we are capable of feeling so deeply, of caring so intensely. That is something powerful. That is something beautiful. Lesson. So, if you've ever felt like your love was wasted or unappreciated, remember this. The love you give reflects your inner beauty. Never regret the love you've shown, because if you can give love, it means you have it inside you. It means you are a beautiful person, capable of spreading goodness in the world. Don't focus on how others may have misused your kindness or love. Focus on the fact that you have the ability to give it, and that is what truly makes you shine. Your love is never wasted. It's a reflection of your soul. Hold on to that. True love comes from a place of strength and understanding. And when you give love, it's never truly gone, because love always comes back to you in other ways, in other forms. Let your heart be a place that continuously gives, and let it remind you of how truly beautiful you are.